Okay, so here's a quick update to a video I made day before yesterday regarding a web page by the WITS, the World Integrated Trade Solution. So it's at wits.worldbank.org is the page, and it was regarding some apparent exports: Switzerland, Germany, European Union, United States, Ireland, Netherlands, all around the world, of COVID-19 test kits with a date of 2017. All the dates here 2017. Okay, now I put this out day before yesterday. I put a link down here at the bottom for people to check it out themselves, but now it's been brought to my attention that if I click on the link here, it's been changed to medical test kits. Medical test kits. So it's the same code, 300215, and they have changed. They've taken away all mention of COVID-19 and changed it to medical test kits. But clearly, if we go to the Wayback Machine here and we put that web page in, take this web page and we put it in here, browse history. Okay, we can see that there are some previous takes of this. Let's have a look at the previous ones. Let's go back to the 4th of September. 4th of September, COVID-19 test kits. COVID-19 test kits, exports by country 2017, whereas now we're getting medical test kits, exports by country 2017. 300215 is the code. 300215 is the code. So yeah, this has been updated and all traces of COVID-19 removed and replaced with medical test kits. Once again, anyone who can make sense of this and give me some reasonable, coherent explanation as to what's going on here, I'd be very grateful. So if you could leave that in the comments below, and perhaps together we can figure out what's going on here.